Enough gatekeeping. I'm about to show you guys how to get the perfect point of view POV shots. Most people assume you just need to flip the action camera upside down and put it onto your head strap mount. However, it will not work. I film my cars with this mount, and this is as far back as it can go. I'd be looking at the headliner and the sun. Key to getting the perfect POV shots are these attachments right here.
That's a great idea, bro, but sounds expensive. In my opinion, all you need is some teeth and a pop socket.
In the slides, come on. Yeah.
Never moving that many cars for any video ever again. Good thing it was only 2. Woo! Let's get the last baby in there. Bing, bing. And then we're out. Bing, bing.
So check it out, wide angle, take your pop socket wallet onto your phone, attach, all right, get in view. That's a buggy. I hit it. Uh-oh, I forgot this one. Yeah. Got that right in there. There we go. If it's everything, make sure safety first. Sexy. Your mouth might be a little sore, but it works.